Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this echo text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to type in this text. I'm just going to type in the word water. And I'm also going to select a font. Make sure it's a little bit bold like this one. Then I'm going to select this preset style. Go to stroke and adjust the thickness. Then you're going to right click, create compound clip. Go to the blend mode section and you're going to select screen. And you're going to just copy and paste that as many times as you want. You can either bring it down, bring it to the right, to the left, up, right, down like this, or whatever you want. It is totally up to you. And I'm just going to bring it down like so. And that's pretty much it. You have this text effect. But what I like to do is before I create compound clip, I copy and paste this one, and on this one I go to this and I do compound clip and I select like another color, and then for this one I will then go to blend mode and then select screen, so there's like a color kind of underneath that. But yeah, it's totally up to you. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!